Hey everybody, it's Sweet Pea coming at you live from the April 2022 blizzard. We're about to head off into the blustering winds.
Hey Stretch! How's the weather out there? Everyone, this is April in the Dakotas. It's okay, we need the moisture. We're not going to fuss too much. Oh my goodness, look, it even blew in the barn.
Hey, make sure.
Well, at least those poor little calves are in here. It's a sort of warm. The ranch boss particularly enjoys this weather, don't you, big guy? Oh, these poor little guys. Some of them are kind of humped up, but that's because they're cold. We put, I'll see if I can show you. We put these little buckets that we cut so that if they get too cold, they can squeeze in there, get out of the wind. Because as you can see, this side of the barn is blowing in with snow too, but at least it's not windy. Hey buddy. Hey. Stretch over here is playing with baby goats. They're so cute, but they're a little chilly, you can just tell. You just pray that they're healthy. I will do that too. This is our Mary. And here's the big guys. Big Al, Bullwinkle, and Rocky. He's the big man. They look kind of rough because it's cold and a winter. They're ready for some green grass. What do we got going on over here?
There's a new calf over there in the corner.
A new calf in the corner? I don't see it. Oh yeah, I do. Well, it's better in here than out in the snowstorm. So this mama just calved this afternoon, and look, her baby's already up having breakfast. There, having breakfast. I don't want to get too close. She doesn't really love me. And that's the difference for all the poor ranchers who have to calve outside. Yeah, there's her baby. Okay, I'm leaving. And then this happened on the way back from the barn. The conquering heroes. Did you get unstuck?
Finally.